Alright, so hi everyone, this is going to be another tag video, and this tag is 25, yes Baba? So this is the 25 get to know me 25 get to know me tag question list. Again, I just googled these and I found them, and these videos are easier for me to do, and I'm sorry I'm going the route of easy, but I feel like I don't talk a lot. Like even for this tutorial I said nothing. Yes Baba? Alright, so the first one is, are you named after anyone? And no, except my middle name. My middle name was named, I heard, off of this famous English model. I heard, that's what my grandmother said, so I'm just gonna believe her. It says, when was the last time you cried? Last night at church. Do you have kids? No, kids are goats, but I do have a child. His name is Jonathan. He's so sexy for a baby. If you were another person, would you be a friend to yourself? Yes. Do you use sarcasm a lot? What on earth is sarcasm? What's the first thing you notice? Baba. What's the first thing you notice about people? How they look, obviously. What is your eye color? Dark brown. Scary movie or happy endings? Happy endings. Favorite smells? I like smelling well, food only when I'm hungry, but I like smelling scents. I love sweater weather from Bath and Body Works. I love this scent, this pink scent here. Oh my god, this is different. Oh my god, I love it too much. I love scents. I like perfume. I hope that makes sense. What's the furthest you've ever been from home? I don't know which is further. I don't know, but I've been in the US, so I guess that's the furthest I've ever been from home. Do you have any special talents? Well, I sing, I dramatize, I write songs and poems, and I make wigs. I don't know. Right? I think that's it. Where were you born? In Jamaica, where I live. What are your hobbies? My hobbies are singing. I would definitely say singing. Oh, and makeup. Oh, and like gym, which I haven't been to the gym all week this week. I just haven't been, and then I've literally let myself go. I'm retaining so much water right now. Do you have any pets? No, I have a family. His name is Milo, even though you guys don't see him, but he's a dog and his name is Milo. Do you have any siblings? Yeah, I have a lot actually. What do you want to be when you grow up? Nigga, I'm already grown and I am doing what I wanted to do, except acting. Yes, Bambina. Who was your first best friend? My first best friend was Carrie-Ann, and we both went to Jamaica Evangelistic Basic School. How tall are you? I'm 5'1". Funniest moment throughout school? I know, like, oh my gosh, one moment epically in my head that my friend called Ebonique, right? We were over her house and we're going on the road, and she just took off her bra and put it over her girl and said, come on already. That at that point was the funniest thing I've ever seen, and the fact that I'm remembering it now, years from now, that memory stands out in my mind. I don't remember what Ebonique looked like. I can't, if I say her now, I'm not going to know it's her, but yo, that was funny. That was hilarious. How many countries have you visited? Only one, just the US. Oh, and Curacao. What's the favorite / worst subject in high school? Math was worst. Drama and music were definitely my faves. What is your favorite drink? Smirnoff Ice. Anyone? Animal. I love dogs. Milo's size, bigger than that, I'm afraid. And I think, okay, so I know I'm afraid of snakes, but I've always wanted to own a pet snake, like a small one that can fit on my hand. I've always wanted to own one. Perfume, the one that I showed you guys. But then I'm thinking, I mean, I know I love some Nicki Minaj scents and some Rihanna scents. What happened to your penis? Go look for your shoes. We're going to go over Gigi, okay? What would you or have you named your children? Your black shoes? I'll go for your black shoes. Well, I've said this before, but I can answer again. Jonathan's name is Jonathan. I think if I have another son, I really want to call him Christopher, and our daughter is going to be called Harmony if we have a girl. What sports do you play? Have you played? I do not. Back in high school, I played volleyball, and that's it. I'm not a sportsy type of person at all. Who are some of your favorite YouTubers? Jackie Aina, Shane Dawson, Everything Apple Pro, Your Average Consumer, Busy Bee, Caris, Fit Girl Mel. I just started watching Fit Girl Mel and Ajazi, but Ajazi hardly posts. So, and Fit Girl Mel, she keeps up with her channel, and I love Fit Girl Mel on Instagram. Jenny Heward. You're going to wear your Crocs? Jenny Heward. No, wear Crocs. Jenny Heward. Jeff Nippard. What Culture. Cinema Sins. Screen Rant. The Taco. Yeah, I'm trying to remember everything, so hopefully I remember everything. How many girlfriends / boyfriends have you? Oh, how many boyfriends have I had? I don't know. Bro, I've been having boyfriends since I was like in basic school. Yeah, my boyfriend. You want to play mommy and daddy? Like, I don't know, boo. Well, I what? It's not like, oh, but not a lot, but I cannot count. Even say I can't count it, it still sound like it's holy. It's not a lot, but I've never thought to count. How about that? Favorite memory from childhood. My stepfather, he would always send barrel, and him always just keep her up to date with everything. So when Timberlands used to run the place back then, I used to have a pink Timberlands and a blue Timberlands, I remember clearly, and one of them could fold over. When CD player did just come out, I had a CD player. So I guess my fondest memories are gifts, which says a lot about me and my personality, and also my love language. How would you describe your fashion sense? I don't think I have fashion sense. I just put stuff together and hope it works. I really don't think I have fashion sense, and I think that's why I'm very one of the reasons rather why I'm very hesitant to even do hauls, clothing hauls and lookbooks, because I do not consider myself a fashionable person. What do you have? iOS or Android? iOS. And the last question is, tell one of your bad habits. One of my bad habits is that I bite my nails. That's one of my bad habits. Alright, so that's it for this tag video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoy these kind of things. One thing I do want to say though is that I completely appreciate you guys for allowing me to be me here on my channel. I'm just grateful that I can be me and I don't have to be fishing around for content. I just know that you guys are going to enjoy what I put to the table. With that being said, I still want to know what videos you would like to see, so give me some ideas. I'll be traveling, so that's why I'm filming so much videos. That's why I'm filming talking videos, because you know most of my tutorials are like either voiceovers or songs, mostly songs, because yeah. So let me know what videos you'd like to see. And the brushes are here, the sample brushes, Pour Me by Lyrics sample brushes are here. I'll be definitely going live on Pour Me by Lyrics Instagram page. I don't know when though, sometime next week probably I'll be going live, but this video will be up way after I've gone live, but they're here and I'm completely excited about that. Ooh, don't forget to follow me on social media. That's where I post stuff immediately first. You know, like with this, I already posted a picture of this. And my vlog channel, my vlogs, no, I have vlogs up until the 19th of May. I'm actually uploading my vlogs every 3 days. You want porridge? Right, so every 3 days there's a vlog going up on my Lyric Uncut channel. That's my vlog channel, obviously. So every 3 days I'm going to have a video up, and it's just easier to it's easier to film when I do it like that. Also, I always have content. I can have videos in the back. So I'm up to May 19th, which is good. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Thank you guys, I appreciate you so much. Thank you so much again. I'm still blown away by 200,000 subscribers. I know it's been a while, but thank you and I appreciate you. Yeah, I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Hang up, Baba, hang up.